some of my pancake batter. This is a great buttermilk pancake batter that I make. You can use a store-bought mix if you like as well. I'm just going to pour that. Now I have a little mixer. We're going to use that to mix. Now our pancake batter. We're going to place our lid back on. We're going to come over to our pan. And we're going to pour that into our pan. This. Now we're going to take our Nesquik lid and we're just going to press that quickly into our pancake. I'm going to pick that up. And we're going to press it in this. And I'm going to come back with a little skewer. We're just going to trace the outside of our heart. This, we're just going to scoop out the inside. Now I'm going to come back with my buttermilk pancake batter and we're going to come and fill in our heart in the center. A little bit. It's going to take this shape. And while this is cooking, we're going to come over to our second pan and we're going to make a large pancake. And we're going to turn the pan a little bit around like this. Some white chocolate. We're going to dip it into our peanut butter and grape jelly goober. Let me get that good in there. Look at that peanut butter and jelly. We're going to come place this in the middle of our pancake. And I'm just going to cover it with a little bit of batter. This is just going to prevent it from burning when we flip it. I'm just going to make sure our pancake isn't stuck in the pan. Now we're going to go for the flip. And flip this one as well. Just a little bit. Get that cooked on one side. And we're going to slide that into our plate. We're going to do our decoration.